Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Prihatiningsih as a presenter and the first author. And the second author is Professor Nok Mariani, and we are from Indonesia University of Education. And now I want to tell you about our paper. The title of our paper is Values in the Ngunjung Buyut Tradition of Cengkuang Village, Cirebon Regency with the Environment as a Source for Learning Natural and Social Sciences in Elementary School. Introduction. The problem in this paper is the celebration of Ngunjung Buyut in the student area is only for entertainment and ceremonial purposes, whereas there are noble values that must be understood. The second is limited learning resources and too global in nature, whereas students need concrete and meaningful learning. And then fact. According to Kuseri 2022, the variety of cultures or the diversity of traditional customs that develop in society can be seen from the social life of the community, which can be understood by knowing and respecting each other. And then, according to Wijaya and Rusya, in Susanti 2018, page 93, learning resources are environment that can be utilized by schools as a source of knowledge, which can be human or non-human. And then previous research. Several previous studies have been conducted on the Ngunjung Buyut tradition in Cirebon Regency. However, it only focuses on the events or ceremonies held during the Ngunjung Buyut tradition and does not discuss the values of Ngunjung Buyut in Cengkuang village and its relation to learning in elementary school. So the aims in this paper is describe the value in the tradition of Ngunjung Buyut in Cengkuang village, Cirebon Regency as a learning resources for natural and social sciences in elementary school. Next method. The research used qualitative research with descriptive methods. Data were collected using interviews, observation, and documentation. This research data was analyzed using triangulation technique consisting of several steps, namely data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion drawing and verification. Result. Data from interview with chairperson of the committee, organizer, religious leader, and students are Ngunjung Buyut Gambiran tradition is as a form of respect for the ancestors or ancestor who have fought for Cengkuang village. Focus of this event is the empowerment of the Cengkuang village community itself, and there are no cliqued events such as washing relics or heirlooms in the event. Implemented without setting aside its religious sense, which will provide reinforcement for the implementation of this tradition so that it is not misinterpreted by the local community. Everyone is happy, although they are willing to raise money so that they can enliven it by making an artwork to participate in the carnival around Cengkuang village. Ngunjung Buyut tradition consists of several events that contains noble values. The first event is carnival events. The values in these events are value of mutual cooperation, creative, critical thinking, global diversity. And the second, theatrical events. The values are religious value, creative, critical thinking, and mutual cooperation. And the third event is urban benefit and general recitation. And the values are religious values, social care, independent, and mutual cooperation. Discussion. The Ngunjung Buyut tradition is included in local wisdom because it contains values, norms, and behaviors that are passed down from one generation to the next as a result of the community's adaptation to its environment. This tradition has social and cultural function. Teachers can relate the values in this Ngunjung Buyut tradition to natural and social sciences lesson in the fifth grade in elementary school on the topic of my regional pride, with the learning objective is to recognize culture, heritage, and analyze the values contained therein. The learning will begin by telling story when the Ngunjung Buyut event and inviting students to analyze the values contained in the series of events. Thus, by making the environment a source of learning, students have real experience that can develop students' ability to interpret the noble values contained in the tradition in this area. And the last is conclusion. The tradition of Ngunjung Buyut contains the values that are in the elementary school natural and social sciences lesson. These values can be analyzed from a series of events held during the Ngunjung Buyut, namely religious values, mutual cooperation, independence, creativity, critical reasoning, global diversity, and social care. The environment or the place where the Ngunjung Buyut tradition is held in Cengkuang village can be a learning resource for natural and social sciences lesson in elementary school. And this is documentation from our research. And I think enough. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.